guys, this is Bhavna Kumar and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you some really cute, quick, trendy hairstyles which are also quite photogenic. So you can actually wear it and click some really good Instagram pictures with, and it's going to turn out really nice. So let's get into the video. So I have applied serum on my hair so that the hair doesn't fly a lot. So the first hairstyle is a very easy one. I like to do it and it kind of looks very nice. So what you need is any rubber band, or you can also use scrunchie. What you're gonna do is take the whole thing and you're gonna wear a ponytail at the back. I'm creating a low ponytail. So I have created a low ponytail. Next what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take hair from here, like just a little bit, like few strands, and I'm gonna let it on my face. So it's gonna be like this. Okay, and the same way I'm gonna do it this side as well. So I'm gonna take few strands like that. If you're not comfortable using your hand, you can always use this comb which has a big tail and you can actually take the hair. Make sure you're taking hair from this part and not somewhere here, because that really makes a difference and it might not look good. So once I get the hair, what I usually do is just do it like this so that it gives kind of a natural curve, or it just, you know, goes with your face. So I like doing that, just my habit. So if you leave it like this on your face, it kind of gives an extra distraction, so it won't look like you are a potato face or anything. It just looks more stylish. You can also curl this part itself, just these two, but I don't like to curl it much. I just do it with my fingers so that it kind of bends instead of being straight like this. So that's so moving on to the second one. It's very easy. What you have to do is take equal parts on both the sides like this. You can also use this if you want to be more perfect and nice. You can use this. So I'm gonna take this part, and the remaining I'm gonna push it behind. So I'm gonna take this, comb once nicely, and then put it behind the ears, and I'm gonna take it down. So below all the hair I'm gonna place it. Now use a tic tac clip to clip it, or you can also use bobby pins. I'm gonna push it behind my ears and then go behind and use a tic tac clip and clip it over there. Now you can brush the remaining hair like that. So this is how your hairstyle is gonna look. So you don't have to worry that this part of your hair is gonna come and disturb your face. You can freely move. So this hairstyle is going to be a very easy one. What you have to do is just take this part and clip it here with this matching clips or any colorful clip or normal clips as well. But make sure you're clipping it close like here. Okay, and we are going to do the same thing for this side as well. Make sure you're clipping in a way that it's visible and it doesn't hide behind the hair. So I'm going to do this part and clipping it here like that. It's like a cute hairstyle, like really cute, and also gives like a retro feels. If you are doing it for pictures and you want your hair to stay really long, what you can do is use gel or use more serum. But since I'm going to show you, I'm going to use nothing, just a comb. So we're going to take side partition. So what I'm gonna do, like clean side partition, like really side partition like that. What I'm gonna do is take a little part of this hair like here, and I'm gonna take remaining I'm gonna push it behind, and now I'm gonna comb this nicely, place it like this and clip it behind my ears like that. So you're gonna make sure this is very clean. The same thing I'm gonna do here. I'm gonna take a little chunk of the hair, I'm gonna take it behind. The remaining hair will fall like that. So I can see few hair over here are actually flying. You can use extra gel to set them. So you can leave it like this, or instead of clipping the normal, you can actually clip your clips over here. Clip your clip over here. Either you can clip it here or you can clip your hairstyles over here. So for the next hairstyle, it's gonna be similar like previous one. What we're gonna do is keep some hair like this, and then I'm gonna take other hair, like the whole other hair, and create a ponytail. I don't know, whenever I try to do this hairstyle, I look like I am going for my tennis class or my tennis thing. To make it look more cute, what you can do is use clips like this, like the pearl clips or any clip, and then slide it over here. So it's gonna look a little extra. Okay, to the next one, we are back to the middle partition. Now this one is a really cute one, and for the people who have like colored hair, this is gonna look really nice. You need two hair ties for this. So what you're gonna do is, except this part, you're gonna go for this part and start braiding, like small braid.
See the braiding on my black hair. Mostly when I do hairstyle tutorials, it is really not seen because my hair is very black. I even tried coloring my hair 3 times and it didn't come out well. Like the color didn't even get on my hair. I tried brown, I tried caramel brown, I tried everything, but it just doesn't sit.
Now after I have braided, I'm gonna leave it over. Now I'm gonna hair tie it. And you can use a transparent one or you can use a black one. I'm using a black one. It's a small one. So I'm gonna do the same thing over here.
I really wish to color my hair. Like I want to see my hair in a color form. But whenever I try to do it, it just doesn't stay on my hair. Like it doesn't get transferred on my hair.
Okay, so we are done with the braid part. So now you have two options. Either you can leave it like that, so it looks really nice and looks like, oh, in the open hair also you have some style going on, like you have put an effort. So you can either leave it like this, but some people, like sometimes I don't like it. So what I do is I take the front remaining like that and I lightly twist it, clip it here. Ouch. Gonna clip it. So now if you see, it's gonna look a little different. Like before, you could see on the side waist only that you have this design going on, but now if you see, you can see from the front view as well, there is something going on like design. Use a smaller rubber band. I couldn't find one, so I used this one, and this is a small rubber band but still looks big, so you can use this. And also it will look like you have made an effort here, and also the part you have not braided here, this hair will cover it up. So it's going to look really nice. Okay guys, so that's it for the video. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys liked all these trendy cute quick hairstyles, and I also hope that you guys try it out, and make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video, press the bell icon, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.